What I'm doing here, I'm showing you how timbers protect themselves. If you have a look here, this has been freshly sanded. This is what it started out like before I sanded it. With a lot of Aussie eucalypts, they oxidise to protect the surface. River red gums and jarrah are classic examples. People say they're really hard to glue. They're not. You've just got to coarse sand them with the grain just before you glue, or straight off the saw, so there's no oxidation build up on the surface. So that protects the timber. It closes the cells over, the pores over in the timber. What we've done, we've opened it up, and that way you can get things to stick to it. Teak's another good example. See this? This is a piece of old teak I've had laying around. I just sanded this half to show you. This has got oil to the surface. By sanding it, you take the oil off the surface. Piece of camphor laurel, similar. See how it's dark up in this area here? And along here, I've sanded this side and taken the oil off the surface. So it makes it very easy to work with these timbers when you know what you're doing. Oily, everything, doesn't matter what you do. Just coarse sand with the grain just before you're going to glue or coat, and you'll get good adhesion.